Today I want to show you how you can download file from Google Drive with your Linux terminal. How you can download it with terminal basically. Yep. So the first thing we need is Linux and the link of that file and some commands. And I know you already tried to download the file like this and it's not gonna work. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm going to my own Google Drive. I'm gonna double click. It could be your own Google Drive or someone else. Double click on the file and the share button, and who can have access to this file, and I press to anyone with the link, copy the link. So I'm going back to my terminal. So we need some command. You have to install Python on your Linux. I think I have the Python on it. So sudo install sudo gdown. Alright, my password, enter. Hit command. Oh, okay, I don't have Python on it, so I'm gonna try it on other. I'm not gonna waste my time with installing Telegram. So yeah, so here's another terminal. There we go. So we're gonna install this with like sudo install gdown. Alright, it's gonna install the okay, I installed the file. So how we can download the file? So open your notepad. We need this. Okay, I'm gonna paste the link, and the link will be like this. So we don't need this part, file/d, we don't need that, and /view blah blah blah, we don't need that. We're gonna delete it. We're gonna delete this one. Okay, this is the wrong way to download the file. So we need https and /google-drive.com/uc ? ID and equal to this. The link format will be like this. There we go. Copy. We're gonna copy that, and we are gonna write the file like this: gdown and the file. So give me a minute. Alright, I don't have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything here, so I can say gdown, because I don't want to download the file again. Gdown and the file, this link, the link like this, and there we go. It's gonna start the download the file. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna download the file. So I'm gonna stop it. So I already download this file. CD. Okay. As you can see, here's the file. I downloaded with that method, but I didn't download it again. Thanks for watching, but don't forget, here's the, you can compare this link with this link. Look at that. No, not that one. Alright, share. Okay, don't forget, press the down, like who can have access to this file. Copy the link like this one, copy down. Alright, let's show you the, have a quick comparison between these two links. Look at that. Here's the link the Google Drive gave us, and that's not gonna work with this method. You have to change the link. Look, I'm gonna try that by the way. What do I have? I have ADHD. So I'm gonna forget. Okay, so so if I write like gdown, this one, here's the original format. Basically, that's not gonna work, as you can see.